You're watching 18 News at 5.
As companies start planning their reopenings, business groups are pushing Congress to limit liability from potential lawsuits filed by workers and customers infected by the coronavirus. Now, they appear to have the White House's ear. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said the issue would be a priority when lawmakers return. Joining us live over the phone right now is Anna Czarples of Welch, Donlin & Czarples. Thank you for joining us tonight.
No problem.
So is there any legal action that can be taken if an employee or customer gets infected with the coronavirus in a place of business?
So employees and customers are really in two separate categories in both New York and Pennsylvania. Employees would be subject to the workers' compensation system, which is a no-fault type of system. Employees would not be able to bring a formal lawsuit or file a lawsuit for pain and suffering damages against their employer. They would be limited to the exclusive remedy of bringing a claim in comp court for their lost wages and their medical treatment in relation to if they were to contract COVID. For customers, there is an ability for customers in the status quo, barring any legislative efforts by Congress, as you just mentioned, they would be able to bring a lawsuit if the place of business was violating the guidelines set by the CDC, the state, or the Fed, because they have a duty to take reasonable measures to limit customers' exposure to dangerous conditions.
Right, and very quickly, my last question for you. I know you said both businesses and customers are very different. What about any current protections in place for them?
It's very difficult to prove a lawsuit in respect to COVID-19 because you would have to prove that you contracted the disease at a particular place from a particular person. As you know, medical data and medical records are protected by various laws, and so actually figuring out where you were infected would be a problem. Thus, it would make it very difficult to sue anyone for contracting the disease.
Right. Well, unfortunately, that's all the time we have, but thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Thank you.